Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to show 3 points are collinear using vectors. And this is going to be very, very straightforward. So the first thing we need to do is find vector AB. And then the next thing we have to do is find vector AC. If vector AB and AC are parallel, then our points are collinear since A is the same point. So all we need to do is find AB. In order to find vector AB, we're going to go last minus first, or in this case, it's going to be bx minus a of x, b of y minus a of y, and b of z minus a of z. Now, putting that more into practice, let's see. So the first term, I'm going to have -4 minus -2. Then I'm going to put a comma for my next component because that's just the x's. For the y component, we have 8, the first one, the last minus the first one. So 8 minus 7, then 1 minus 4. And that's going to be the vector for AB. So let's solve that out now. We see this turns into a plus. -4 plus 2 is -2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 4 is -3. So in a cleaned up version in a different color, we see that our vector is -2, 1, -3, 4, AB. Now we're going to do the same thing for AC. So we do AC, we're going to take C minus A. So we're going to go 0 minus -2. It's important that we maintain that A is the first point for both of our vectors. So next we have 6 minus 7, and then 7 minus 4. We clean that up. This is a plus. We see this becomes a 2, a -1, and a 3. Well, what we see here is that these are very similar, but not exact just yet. Well, what I can do is pull out a negative out of one of them. Let's pull out the negative out of AC. And what we get is we see -1, we have -2, 1, -3. And that is basically telling us that is parallel to AB with just a different scalar. So since this value, this vector, is now the same as this, just with a different scalar. Therefore, they're parallel. Since AB and AC are parallel, we can say the points A, B, and C are indeed collinear. And that is it. That is all we need to do to solve for this problem. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you have anything else you'd like me to cover, just shoot me an email or mention something in the comments. Hope everyone has a wonderful day.